pilot, because my
Hello
favorite pilot
everyone,
was
it is
pilot.
Flome here back with another video, and today we're going to be playing some Titanfall with Andrew. So say hello.
What's up? Wait,
So today
where am I
we're
supposed
going
to This way. No, I don't want to play sniper.
to kill inside the
Alright.
switch.
Let's do this. No, not this map. I hate this map.
You know what time it is? It's war.
I hate this map.
Not my first kill.
Oh, that's a grunt. I'll shoot it, I guess. Yeah, that's right. Get wrecked, kid. Oh, fuck, dude. I hate people that play with the car. Overrated in this game. Ugh.
How do I build?
That pilot doesn't stand a chance.
Now get wrecked, bot.
Well on your way to getting
Oh,
your
that's a
Titan.
grunt.
I still shoot the grunt, but not as important compared to the, you know, the actual.
I don't think that team knows who they're
Oh, thank
messing
you.
with.
He was at the fuck. This guy above me.
I'm on a killing streak. This streak. No, fuck! This kid just ruined it by punching me. Fuck you.
I just got double teamed. That was nice. That was nice. Hey, we're winning. Why did I say that?
Shut up.
We're on the same team.
No. I just don't want you to jinx us.
Too late, chief. Oh wait, yeah.
Love how this guy
There
died.
you are, buddy.
Your Titanfall
I knew
is
you'd
being
show up.
prepared.
Get wrecked. 10 from the behind, like usual. No skill whatsoever. I could be the first one to spawn my Titan, but I don't like playing as a Titan. I only do it when I need it.
Yeah, I can deploy my Titan too.
Your Titan is ready,
Oh my
pilot.
God.
Standing by for your call.
Oh, that was only grunt?
Pilot, your
Oh,
Titan
that
is
was a
standing
fake.
by.
Of course that was a
Call it
fake.
when ready. They're barely ahead of us. We can do this.
Oh, they're
Titan's
ahead of
ready.
us?
Call it any time, pilot.
Yeah.
Wow, I got fucking obliterated.
How did he hit me? He didn't. What?
Pilot, your Titan is standing by.
What the
Call it
fuck?
when
I didn't
ready.
even get to go through my window. You know what? I'm just gonna record my Titan.
Stand by for Titanfall.
Ah, fuck. Saying there's 4
What the
Titans,
fuck?
so
I didn't
you
even
gotta
get
be
to get my
careful.
Titan. I didn't get to get my Titan, bro. They're camping my Titan.
Oh shit! Yeah, I see that. I see that. The Titan should automatically move to you.
Oh, they're fighting my Titan. Where the hell is my Titan?
I think they deleted. I think they destroyed the Titan.
Oh my god, I didn't even get to go inside my Titan.
Alright.
2 out. Now the rest.
Why you running, bitch?
Why is everyone trying to kill me, bro? Like, everyone looks at me and they try to kill me with a sword.
Oh, see, I die immediately when I get in the Titan.
I don't know why this is gonna be racist.
Ah. Get wrecked, boy! Oh, fuck. It was about another Titan. I was doing amazing and then Titan came. And then another Titan came and killed me again! Oh, fuck. Of course he came out range.
Pulling away. Turn it around.
You did not hit me! Yes! Uh-oh. Titan, you do not see me.
What the fuck, bro?
I am so perfectly okay with not going that way. Go Titans everywhere!
Hide. Just hide. How the fuck are we supposed to catch up?
Well, right now it's legit.
Keep fighting and you'll get your Titan.
Of course there's a fucking... Oh my god.
No, he should not hit me from there. Oh, fuck. Not good. They're not good.
That's how we solve problems.
I just heard that. Stand by Titanfall. Alright, I'm gonna die because there was like 3 Titans near me, but okay.
Stand by for Titanfall.
Systems transferred to pilot.
Shit.
There is a hostile pilot on the hull. Enemy Titan down.
How did this guy hit me? Oh, Spitfire. Never mind. I know how. Called no skill.
Enemy Titan attacking the target. Warning, critical damage sustained. Hit multiple targets and launch tracking rockets. Warning, reactor exposed. Our defenses are being compromised.
I did. I did kill my nemesis. Even the game knows how much I hate this sculpture. That's sad.
Dude, these Titans are
He
overpowered.
killed me, you kid! No skill. Oh fuck, oh fuck. There's like...
You're a talented pilot.
How the
Show
fuck
them
did
what
he
you
hit
got.
me? Wait, you can do that?
Pilot, you're going on my list of favorites for that one.
Back here, get back here, get back here, you son of a bitch!
Pilot, your Titan is standing by. Call it when ready.
No, no, no! It's going! It's the stupid paper 9, dude! Every time he's in a Titan, he gets me when I'm in a fight. Fuck off. Just fuck off, please.
Hey. Fuck off.
Yeah, get wrecked, you son of a bitch!
We're just waiting for the part that you gotta go to, their shit.
What? Spawn me my fucking Titan now. I'm getting... No! Defeat! Ah! Everyone those stupid Titans. Get to the exit!
Are you gonna Titan?
Yeah. I don't even know where it's at.
No, what the fuck? I knew that guy was gonna come up here and kill me.
Oh, it's right here. Come on! Come on! Get in! Go! I leveled up!
I love war. Hey, I came in 3rd place. Let's go. Oh wait, never mind. We lost.
You came third place on the team. Not overall, I guess. I mean, because, you know, fuck all those people over there. Like, fuck you guys. Okay. Ooh, I can change this. I would obviously be. Increase ammo. Yeah. Titan.
I improved on everything. What the hell? I just got level 9.
What the fuck? Someone's playing Black Ops 3 campaign? Why play the campaign? Pilot versus pilot! Yes. Oh. I love me some pilot versus pilot. Let's go. Jumping to location. I heard someone talking about McDonald's. What? Thunder! Flome!
Yes.
We're in the game.
What are we doing?
Pilot
War?
versus pilot.
Take out the enemy pilot.
Oh, okay.
Pilot versus pilot. No war. Get
Wow.
wrecked, boy!
I am not
Oh,
gonna.
fuck.
I should just steal somebody's soul and be a faggot.
As long as it's not mine. You mentioned steal, Andrew's, Oh, fuck! How'd I die? Oh, that gay ass gun. Okay. I see what it is. I see what you.
What the fuck, bro? Fucking. Yep. Of course I got a fucking assist. I haven't even got a kill yet.
This makes me feel bad. I haven't got a single kill since the. Okay, never mind. Just good.
I'm gonna kill.
Oh! He jumped in and I hit him in mid-air. That is called skill. Oh shit. L-star. No, I punched him! Faggot. Go.
Who stole? Oh my god.
Him.
Someone just stole my kill. Oh my god, I'm gonna
Welcome to
get.
Titanfall.
I have. Why did you say I have 0? Oh wait. I have 3 assists. Fuck my god.
Shit. And yeah, you have 3. Don't worry, I got your back. So I'll be here to steal your kills.
This battle's going
Like
well.
that.
I've got some talented pilots here.
Where the fuck are they at?
What up, mate? You got mad low. Come on, please let me get this guy. Fuck.
Blow up! Grenade should have killed him!
This reminds me of
Okay,
Kyle.
here's the map location. Map location for everyone. Jesus Christ, I almost died. No, he's mad low! Get back here, you son of a bitch! I got 2 people so low! And I'm not even getting assists for them! Come on, guys! Meal! Don't you dare run away, you pussy! Oh, fuck. Of course you came from behind. No skill, look.
What the fuck? All of them are together.
Are they? Oh, yeah. I killed 2 of them. Oh, shit! I died. Watch out! Oh, stay alive. Still alive. Pilot assist, that's it.
Winning team, keep it up.
Did I die by cable? I did! Ugh. I was doing so well.
What a sharpshooter.
Where the fuck did they go? Here, map pack! Stop sticking together, man!
Bunch of pussies.
I just... See? Or you're gonna just get die like that. Get wrecked, boy.
I just saw someone kill. You get you faggots. Still on my toes. Fuck my.
Oh! Get wrecked.
It's like Advanced Warfare. The nades are kind of like Advanced Warfare. They don't do much.
What?
And the nades are kind of like Advanced Warfare. They don't do that much.
This battle's going
Oh.
well. I've got some talented
Well,
pilots here.
did you know that Advanced Warfare was ripped off of Titanfall series?
Really?
Yep. Because the original people that made MW 1, 2, and 3, they wanted more money by Activision. Activision fired them. They made Respawn Entertainment and made Titanfall 1 and 2. And Call of Duty's like, no, 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 we gotta do futuristic now. So they started doing futuristic. With Advanced Warfare and Infinity Warfare, which I loved, and then the Black Ops 3, I don't love.
Perfect. Good win.
I gotta find a kill, let's go.
Great work.
What? I'm not first place! I'm mad.
Good one already.
Alright,
I'm about to die. Now I'm
I died.
spectating.
Damn it! He was so weak! He was so weak! You had the most, the second most assists in the game.
No, I have the most assists. What do you mean?
No, the Y dude has 8, you have 7.
There's a guy down there. Shoot him.
Face, get sucked! How did you not notice him? You let the dude that had 0 kills escape. Wow.
So you know he's
How
been
d-
playing this game. He has 10 deaths.
It's like, how do you do that? I don't get it. How? How? Oh well.
Well, I have something to upload tonight.
Huh?
I finally have content to upload.
I'm getting low on content too, so it's weird.
So
I
now,
don't like it.
I literally have 10 episodes of freaking Fall Guy already. No, sorry, I think 7 or 8, my bad in that time.
I gotta upload all this Titanfall stuff to my
Please
Call of
do
Duty
money,
channel, so.
or
Yep.
just freaking change your Call of Duty channel to books.
I know. I also need to upload that other review video. That's gonna take a lot of editing though. Ugh. Oh, connect the match. Which one is it? Hey, it's your map. Oh, I love this map. Which one's on pilot versus pilot?
Is this war?
Yes.
Let's go. I love war.
The only reason why I'm not a big fan of it is just because I don't like the Titans in this game. Titan 1 was more simple, and I just haven't learned the Titans in this game yet. Once I learn it, I'll probably love it, but I still haven't learned it, so.
Okay, pilot.
I play this game every time
Get
when
this
I
job done.
because I'm guessing you'd be angry, be like, what? You playing this game without me? And I bought in this game.
Hey, I want you to play it. I don't care. I mean, don't be like Reese who gets it, tries it like 2 times, and then be like, I'm never playing it again.
No, I actually like the game. It's just mad annoying to wait for like 5 minutes. And I noticed I'm not waiting 5 minutes. I'm usually waiting 3 minutes now.
It's getting better. More people are getting on Titanfall. So, if you haven't noticed, like, it's been very, like,
Crowded.
Get wrecked, boy. You want me to go try it? I'm gonna just switch to this game then. Me, I want you to go try out. You're on my team. Oh shit. Damn it, you stole my kill. This guy thought he was gonna be sneaky.
I like this map.
Whoa, you just went exploded. Ah, I have 69 bullets. Let's go. Oh shit.
Hey, we're actually nope, not saying anything.
I'm focusing. I'm trying to kill this motherfucker.
Eat my ass.
Nah, I'm not gay. Dick on the other hand.
Fuck it, I kinda...
You stole my fucking kill, you dick! Yeah, that's right, I steal your kill. How do you like that?
Fighting pilot, your Titan's almost ready. We're winning. You're doing some good work.
Yeah, that's right, I thought. You didn't like that.
Do you play Claw on Titanfall or no?
Do I play Claw? No.
You don't play Claw? I do.
No. Claw is where you have the main, what's called?
The pointing
The two
finger.
fingers at the top.
I should do a hand cam how I play games with Claw, but I'm too broke to get out there.
Mine is a default layout. Everything, like I didn't
No, I
change
play on
any
the
controls.
default lower. I didn't change anything, I just play Claw, like,
Titan is ready,
I bend my
pilot.
pointer
Standing
finger.
by for your call.
I don't play Claw. I don't think at least. Claw is where you have the two fingers on the L1 and R1, right? I mean L1 and L2. You have two
Okay.
fingers. Is that it, Claw?
Okay, no, so I have my pointer finger on my right hand, holding circle and X all the time to reload. And then that's how you basically play Claw in these games. But if you're playing Fortnite, I'm playing Fortnite, I have my right pointer finger on the triangle button to edit.
Oh shit.
I should have probably dropped it onto the
Your
thing.
Titan is ready.
I'm good. I'm good. Spawn me my Titan. No! He killed me right as my Titan spawn. Shit. I go.
Pilot, your Titan is standby for Titanfall.
Transferring systems to pilot.
Hi, Andrew.
Step. How did he not die?
Multiple enemy pilots attacking. Horrible wall may assist in mission. Friendly Titan attacking for target.
At least I finally got my Titan. My Titan's about to die. That's nice.
Target destroyed.
Don't worry, I'm just a big chunk of metal walking towards you with missiles and guns. Nothing to be afraid of. Boom. Boom. Oh, that's a switch room. Never mind.
This battle's going well. I've got some talented pilots here.
Oh, none of them have Titans.
Down. Our defenses are being compromised.
I gotta camp this time.
Warning. We have a
Remember, if you want X out of the Titan, you can just hold
critical damage.
oil.
Seek cover.
I can't find any real people all of a sudden. I died. Never fails. Oh shit.
I'm running.
Okay,
Enemy Titan.
well, I'm gonna try sneak on her back and, you know. Okay, I hit him with the rocket once, so. Oh, this is gonna take a while.
Warning. Sustained severe reactor damage.
You have another Titan heal? Oh, you're dead.
Oh shit, I got stomped on. I just literally walked into it.
Yeah, I got stomped. I didn't. Oh, I should have got stomped on. Why the fuck is my Titan? Oh, the way over there.
We are still alive.
I'm still alive.
There's a person back to you.
Someone on back of me.
You're winning, team. Keep it up.
I got a battery, I got a battery, I got a battery. What the fuck? How'd I get to it?
I don't know.
Titan is ready.
Hey,
Stand by for Titanfall.
thanks. I can't find anybody. Waiting on.
Rocket systems are in your control, pilot.
Let's destroy some kids.
Impressive work, pilot. They didn't stand a chance.
Oh, what's wrong, dude? Why are you so afraid now?
Stop their escape.
Let's go. Oh man. Only got 9 kills, 30 deaths. Ooh.
Nope, nope. That was 9 kills and 30 minions, and that was me.
Oh.
You got 4 kills and 23 minions. They don't show you how many times you died, thank God. So you don't feel like you sucked.
Alright, well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of Titanfall. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, guys, and I'll see you on the next Titanfall video. Bye.